now we have to move forward. Let's recap. I've teach you and walk you through step by step how to register your domain, how to host your website, and how to install WordPress to your domain. And don't forget that we are using the best and easiest website builder in the world, which is WordPress. Is the #1 CMS to build any type of website. Now there's nothing like coding or programming language. It's just gonna be a bunch of drag and drop and copy and paste method. So now we just have a little things to do now to complete the initial step. I told you earlier that they are all the 3 methods I'm going to show you, they carry the same initial steps. So we have just a little steps to take now to complete the initial step. So we now remain the technical part, the different parts of this method that make them a special method and separate method. Now I would like to give you a clue of website we are going to build with this first method. And the first method is page builder method. Don't forget, with multifunctional type of website for any company, be it a big company, big business or small business, you can build any type of website with this type of method, because this method is very great. So let me just quickly give you a clue of website we are going to build. This is my screen now. This is the type of website we are going to build. As you can see, this is the home page with a slider here. Now as you can see, this is a title and we have subtitle here. Here now we have call to action that can take you to any other page inside this website. So let's scroll down and see. So this our services. So maybe this could be the service, the service that your company or business is rendering for people. So I'm gonna walk you through how to do this also, to present, to showcase or present your services to your audience or users. So we are going to create about us page now, like this section. Now let's move down. So we are going to do something like this. Then our work, so maybe it may be your portfolio or something. So we are going to do this also. Then this testimonial section, I'm going to walk you through. Meet our team, so we are going to do something like this also. Now okay, and this another call to action. Want to know more about our company? Curious what else we do? Get in touch. So this is another call to action that will take your users to another page, the exact page of what this call to action is pointing to. Then here, latest news. This could be an update of your website, maybe to tell your user what is going on your website, the latest update and so on. It may be your blog or something. So now, and all these clients as logos. So we are going to do something like this also. Till then I'm going to show you everything step by step, but I want you to understand something. If you are talking about designing or creating something or building something, you must be a creative person. That is very, very important. For me showing you all this, that we are going to do this, we are going to do that, see, I want to tell you something. It's not gonna be exactly like this, because I myself am a creative somebody. It's one professional that created this website now, right? So I told myself I can do something more high catchy and professional than this. I just want you to know that. Believe in yourself. Don't take maybe how will I do this, is this not too complicated? No, it's not complicated. You can do something great and more than this. So I'm not gonna do it the same thing as this person did it, but I'm going to make it somehow different. But we are going to follow the process, how it look and others. So our own website might even look greater than this, but at least we are going to do something like this. So I want you to know that. So, and any of your doing, make sure you always avoid plagiarism, and avoid something copy and paste. Maybe what somebody has done, maybe you want to just copy it directly. At least you have to make some changes as a creative somebody, so to make you different, to set you apart, to make a super professional. So now here, now this the our services page. As you can see, I told you here now that let me scroll down like this. Our services here, if you click any of these services now, so it will take you to a particular page. So now here is the page now, our services, as you can see. So we are going to create a page like this. Then blog, we are going to create a blog page where all your blog posts will reside. Maybe you have any update for your users. This is the page that will contains all your blog posts, or maybe your updates and so on. And here also contact page, we are going to create a contact page. This is the page where your users or maybe audience can reach you if they just click on your contact page. If they land on your contact page, so they will scroll down to know what is going on, to know your location, maybe your contact address, your contact phone number, and so on. We are going to do something like this also. Team, our team, as you can see, this website is just very perfect for any type of business. Maybe is a big business or small business, or maybe a local business or a big company. This website is just a very perfect website and professional website, because the team we are going to use for this website is one of the best business team in the world. No matter how the level of your business, this website is going to be a great and fitted one for you. So now I've shown you the clue about what we are going to do. Now what we have to do next now is to go back to our WordPress dashboard. This might look somehow, I mean, this admin dashboard might look somehow not familiar to you, but I'm very sure that once we start doing one or two things here, you will be familiar with it. So what we have to do next now is to just install our WordPress theme. So I want you to be taking note of something inside the book of this tutorial, that is a Master Web Design course book that you've gotten. I've revealed to you the details of what WordPress theme means, plugins, and other tools we are going to use to build this website. But the advice I can just give you now is that if you see anything somehow complicated or maybe cumbersome for you to comprehend, just go to inside the book and search for anything that you want to search for and read the details about it, like this theme, plugin, and some other tools. Just read it very well. Everything is well expressed there. So the little description I can just give you is just that theme, it's one that determine the look of your website. It's one that determine how it's gonna be, how it's going to be organized. So now what we have to do now to install our theme, so just hover over to appearance here, come to themes and click on themes. So it's loading now. It will take us to a page for us to install our theme. So when you land here, by default WordPress has installed this one for you, but this is not the theme we are going to use. So what we have to do is just to click add new here. From here now you can search for any type of theme you want based on the type of website you want to create. Maybe you want to create a business website, maybe you want to create a technology website, maybe a blog for newspaper, and so on. So you can search any theme, WordPress theme that suits you among all this, because there are thousands of WordPress theme you can use. So now all you have to do is to just search for the theme you are going to use here if you have any. But if you don't know the theme that you want to use, you can just search from the bunch of themes that we have here, so you can search anyone. But I know the type of theme I'm going to use for this website already, so it is good for you to do research in anything you want to do. So you should know the type of business you want to do, search for the type of theme that will be better and well suited for the business. So the theme I'm going to use for this tutorial is Sydney. That is SYDNEY. So this is it here. This is it. All you have to do is to click install, then click on activate. Now it's activated. One is activated. So the next thing we have to do is to visit our website and see how it look like. As you can see, new theme activated, visit site. Let's quickly visit that and see how it look like. Wow, great. Now this is how our website look like. It might look messy, it might look not eye-catching, it might look misorganized now, but you don't worry, this is what we are going to work on. So this is the home page now. As you can see, it doesn't look like this at all. See, it doesn't look like this at all, right? But don't worry, this is what we are going to work on. So now what we are going to do now is to go back to our dashboard. Dashboard here. So from here, so we got a notice. This team recommend the following plugins: Elementor and Sydney Toolbox, custom post and field for the Sydney. So these are very, very important. So all we can do, what we have to do is to just click this link that said begin installing plugins. I explained what plugin means to you, right? So plugin is just a tool that allows you to customize your website and design it to perform any type of operation you want. So just click on this link, and if you know that you don't really know much about the plugin details, all those tools, just take your time and read the book very well. So all you need to do is to just click the robots here, so it will alert others to install it. Come to the options here. Okay, install. Click on install and apply. So it will install the two plugins. So then come down here, you will see a notification that all installation have been completed. Return to require plugin installer. So click here so that we can go and activate the plugins. So click here again so that it will check all the plugin boxes, and come here, click on activate so that it will activate the plugin for us. So now, as you can see, the following plugins were activated successfully: Elementor and Sydney Toolbox. So custom post and fill and others. So the next thing we have to do is to just quickly rush to the next step. And what is the next step? The next step is to install the necessary and essential plugins that we need to use. So they are very, very important for our website customization. To install plugin, just come to the left side here, scroll down, then over to plugins, come down here and click add new, or you can just click install plugins. If you click install plugins, it will take you to the plugin that already been installed, but if you click on the add new, it will take you to the page so you can add new plugin by installation. So now here we are. This is the page we need to install all the plugins that we need. WordPress have thousands of plugins to make your website the best, to make your website a professional one, to perform any kind of operation you want. I've shortlisted the plugin that we'll be using here, as you can see in my sticky notes here. So essential plugins: Site Origin Widget Bundle, Black Studio Tiny MCE Widget, Contact Form 7, Easy Facebook Like Boss, Recent Post Widget Extended, Simple Light Boss. So I'll be copying this one after the other now and be installing it one after the other. Copy, then go back. Let's come here and paste it here, just for the search box to search it for us. So this is the plugin. This is the plugin. Click on install now. So and click on activate. While activating, okay, fine, it's activated. So we have to, what we need to do next is to copy the second plugin and paste it to the search box to search it for us also, so that we can access it and install it. So here it is, still loading. Fine, click on install. And click on activate. While activating, let's go and copy the third, which is the contact form. Let's paste the contact form. Click on install. Click on activate. While activating, let's move on to the next plugin. Copy, paste here, click on install. And click on activate. While activating, let's go and copy the next plugin. Let's paste it here. Now this is it. Recent Post Widget Extended. Recent Post Widget Extended. Click on it. Click on install. Then click on activate. The Recent Post Widget Extended plugin has been activated. Now the next on our list is Simple Light Boss. Copy it. And paste it. Okay, fine. This is it. Click install. Hope you are now getting used to the installation now. Plugin installation, very easy, as you can see. Still installing. Okay, click on activate. It's activating. So now after this, now we will move on to the next step, where we'll be able to upload our media content that we're going to use for this website. Okay, our Simple Light Boss has been activated. So the next step we need to take now is to go and upload the media content we are going to use to create this website. To do that, or maybe let me show you all the plugins we've already installed so that you can see it. So just come down, scroll down here, click on install plugins. Now you will see all the plugins we've installed. So there are tools that it's very important for us to have on our website so that we can get our website done ASAP. Now, to upload the media content we are going to use, all we have to do is to just come here to the left side of your dashboard, click on add new media and add new, click on it. So I have the file on my system already because I've gotten all the media done. I've do the necessary work I supposed to do on it. So anyway, all the mediums I'm going to use here, they are, let me just make it short and simple. All the images and some other stuff I'm going to use, I got them from the demo website. So you don't need that anyway, because if you want to use any image or any content or any media stuff, you have to work on it. Maybe if it is image, you have to work on it, edit it by yourself and do everything. So just for the sake of these websites, I just want to to get this done for you in order for you to be able to know what I'm doing here. So to do this now, you just click on select file to upload so that we can upload the file for usage. I will go to my desktop. It's my desktop. This okay, web tutorial files. Then I'll just select all because I'm gonna use everything. These are the files I'm gonna use everything. Then I will remove this one. Click open, so everything will be uploaded. Still uploading. As you can see, they are all uploaded. Yes, here we go. All the media content has been uploaded. Now let's check. Everything has been uploaded. Fine. So now we've completed this step. The next step now is to create our home page and blog page. So those are the two pages that we are going to create first. So but before I go to that step now, I think let me show you what we just uploaded. Let me quickly show you. So to view your media content, just come here and click on library. So in library, you should be able to locate all the media content. As you can see, you should be able to locate them one after the other. And if you want to edit any one of them, just click on it. So it will take you to another page and click edit here. So you're able to edit the image. Maybe you want to change the size and some other things, so you can just play around and do it here. So we are not going to do that now because all this image has been they are just okay now to use for this website. So anyway, I will still show you how to upload picture to blog posts, to pages, and some other things that you need to know